Hello, everybody. Hello for this week. So I would like really to share two things today for this briefing. First thing about the tech. This week is a tech week, so don't try to focus on anything else. My recommendation: double check your portfolio 1 and 2 with Google, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft. So for portfolio 2. And for portfolio 1, take care, please, of the stock. The same for the tech. Okay. So this is my recommendation. Really stay focused on the earnings. I think it will be very interesting for us to see what's going on, to understand really the numbers. I could imagine it's not the moment to sell. I think it's a moment to wait and see what's going on for the tech. That's my first pitch. My second pitch, it's about the strategy, global strategy for the next couple months, and a dividend strategy for the portfolio 2, because it will be a very, very big issue. Not issue, but a very big topic. So let's go for the first pitch. About the tech, as you know, I love Google, I love Microsoft, I love Apple, I love Meta, and I have, roughly speaking, on portfolio 1 and portfolio 2. So I'm really, really a very big believer of this kind of company for the last 10 years, 15 years, some of them. The question is, what do we think about the future? Google made less 16% the last year. And I think the numbers are not so bad. Even if the debate about ChatGPT belongs by Microsoft, I stay really, I think really it's a moment to follow, and that's why I bought last week Google. I bought it, as you know, because they had really bad feelings on the market last week because of the show 60 minutes with the president of Google. But I bought it, and I think I was right. So all the people they did well. So Google, Microsoft stay for me really the best investment. I think Apple maybe will have a bad surprise. So we'll see what's going on. But I think the price is very high, 28 times the earnings for Apple. Maybe it's time to start selling this company a little bit. I didn't say that for the long term for sure, but that could be a great opportunity. Amazon is the same as Google. I think really the run was good this month, but I think we can follow up, and I think this company will be maybe a great investment for the next couple months. So I stay really focused on the tech. Meta is the same, even if for sure we did this amazing run because the last on this call, because we made more than 70% of portfolio 1 on Meta. So yes, for sure, the value is good. Maybe we are at the moment, we can start selling a little bit more. We will see this week. Please watch out really, and pay attention all the moves and all the calls and all the trade I can do this week on the tech. Okay, so that's my first pitch. It means I believe always in tech. I think numbers will be amazing. Some of them maybe it will be an opportunity to buy, and some of them will be an opportunity to sell. It will depend really of the earnings and the behavior of the market. The second pitch for this week is a strategy for the French company. You have a lot of earnings and a lot of dividend too, so on portfolio 2. So I think I will see what's going on, but if the markets follow rising, I think even if we want to make some money on dividend, I prefer to sell before dividend, like I did for LVMH, like I did for Dior, before dividend, because sometimes the people, they buy the company to take the dividend, and after that they start descending the value of the stock. So I think this company, they have overvalue, I think, in France. So like Danone, we made a 22% from the beginning of the year. So don't be surprised if I follow selling this week or next week on the French holdings, French companies. So I think that's a strategy. Even if we want to have dividend, I prefer to sell before dividend. So be careful. Follow like this, like me. Follow please the trade. I'm sure we'll have some trade tomorrow and this week and next week. Okay. So thank you so much. I hope you will have an amazing week. I think we have a big opportunity, but I don't believe in a crisis anymore. But we can have, as usual, in April and May, sometimes the people, they sell, the market is selling the numbers, selling earnings. So we could imagine we can have a good opportunity to buy during the May or maybe in June. We'll see. Or maybe the rally can go up to September as usual. So we don't know. We will see next week. So keep learning, keep reading some earnings. But I will do the job this week. So for the tech, I think it will be very important this week for the tech. Okay, thank you. Have a great night, great day. Sorry, great morning and great evening for the European guys. See you guys.